the sneeze free application. Now here are the instructions. It says move your finger back and forth over the tip of the nose to make it sneeze. Draw with your finger in the slimy muke. Shake to clear the screen and start all over again. Press on the screen to start. Now that's a face of a person. If you click anywhere else, it won't tickle him, but on the nose. Now it says tickle, and that's the sneeze. It's pretty disgusting as the app itself says it, but it's just a fun app. You can put the disgusting feeling even to your friends. And this is a mucus of the sneeze, and you can just draw anything over here. It's pretty clear actually, and you just shake the iPod to clear it off. You can do it again, and a sneeze. You can even play tic-tac-toe over here. So, yeah, see. That's an X. Okay. Yo, I win. Yes. Anyways, I would have won.